Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Charge the device, sign in, and update the OS so sensors work reliably. Once done, go directly to Settings, then Security or Face ID, and choose Set up Face Recognition. Make sure you remove any existing face profile if you're replacing a password. This prevents conflicts. Position the camera at eye level now and keep the phone about an arm's length away. Don't stall. Start the first scan immediately to capture a neutral baseline. Now focus on the how. Stand in soft, even light and hold the device at eye level. Follow the on-screen prompts and rotate your head slowly so the camera records multiple angles. This improves recognition when you move. Make small facial changes, smile, blink, turn, to teach the system variability. If the app suggests a second scan, perform it. If you wear glasses or a head covering often, add an alternate appearance. Be patient. Accurate captures reduce later failures and false rejects. Finish by confirming the enrollment and immediately test unlocking in different lighting and angles. Try 3 quick attempts to verify consistency. Then enable related options like app authentication or mobile payments if desired. If you encounter problems, first clean the camera and repeat enrollment. Poor captures are the most common issue. If problems persist, delete the profile and re-enroll from scratch or reset security settings as a last resort. These steps ensure reliable access without weakening.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.